Hello, Chef here with yet some more valuable tips and tricks and information for you on chicken. So what do we got here? We got boneless, skinless chicken breasts. But we need to take a closer look. First of all, in the store, you don't just shop by price, you shop by how fresh the chicken is. The look, the feel. Try to avoid all the water. You don't want a bag full of water. You don't want a ton of fat. You don't want chicken that's got blood all over it. Blood tastes very bitter and it's not really so good for you. But if the chicken was processed in a humane fashion, there shouldn't be blood all over the place. The breast should be fairly clean, like this one. All right, these are looking good. That's why I selected this. Now, let's move in for some butcher tricks. I'm going to give you a few things here. Very important information. First of all, safe handling. Notice, I've got a plastic bag under this piece of styrofoam. The styrofoam's part of the butcher's trick, by the way. This all gets weighed, so it's all by weight. One thing I notice here, you got to zoom in for the fine print. I don't know if I can do that for you or not, but the fine print's right there. And it says up to 4% liquid. Yeah. Some of the packages in the store had 10 or 15% liquid. You're paying for that. So be careful with that. This chicken was on sale for $4.99 a pound, but that was on a special sale, $2.99 a pound. What a great deal, $2.99 a pound. Yeah, but let's check it out. So we open this up here. Notice I'm being very careful. I don't want to get juice everywhere. However, maple kills germs. They've done these tests. You can cut a chicken breast on this maple slab right here, wipe it off with a towel, just like this, and there is zero bacteria here. Might take half an hour, no bacteria in the same spot. Make a salad. That's how safe maple butcher block is. Back to the chicken. Let's see what we got here. Wow, it's a huge piece. This is like a pound. But I like how clean it is. Also, 4% liquid is what it says on the sticker. This is USA chicken, by the way. Very important. You don't want imported stuff. However, this thing's huge. So the first thing you got to do is remove any silver skin, remove any fat that you come across, and then you can portion it up. A nice portion might be 8 ounces like this. You might have to cut it a little more, maybe even butterfly it like this. I'm just showing you very quickly. Normally I'm working on a cutting board, but anyway, this is a nice butterfly chicken breast, looking really good. All right, make sure to subscribe for more valuable facts and tips as we explore the different meats, recipes, butchering tricks, and tips from the chef. I'm going to show you how to cook this 100 ways. It's free on the channel. What do you got to lose? Subscribe right here. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Ah yeah, the same chicken breast. Here we go. Chef likes to slice it on a bias. Many reasons for this. Just like this. Looking good. Make sure it's done. Cook your chicken breast to at least 165 Fahrenheit and you'll live longer. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right there. Now that I've got it cut nice, I can fan it out like this. And at this point I'm usually adding some kind of a sauce or a teriyaki glaze. Oh yeah, search chicken recipes on this channel and wow, Chef's gonna teach you a whole bunch of new stuff. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Subscribe right here. Chicken teriyaki, brown rice, stir fry vegetables. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Yep. And the butcher block, so easy to clean. Towel, That's it. I'm all done. Safest surface in your kitchen. Wow. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Wow. Check it out. The sponsor's got Japanese knives imported direct from Japan and butcher blocks made in the USA. Free shipping, no tax, discounts. You can't go wrong. Buy the best the first time. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Wow. Get the best the first time. It's gonna be good. My spatula. Well, this one here is about 10 to 12 years old. The problem is bacteria can, food and bacteria can accumulate down here where the wood meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.